question is question number 17. In a school, students thought of planting the trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant and will be the same as the class in which they are studying. For example, a section of class first will plant one tree because they are in first class, that's why they have to plant one tree only. And a section of class second will plant two trees, they are in the second class and that's why they have to plant two trees, and so on. It means if a student is in third class, then how many plants they have to plant? 3 trees. And if a student is in 12th class, then they have to plant 12 trees. So this process is going on by this. There are 3 sections of each class and up to 1 to 12. How many total classes we have? 12 total classes. And in each class, it means in first class we have 3 sections. In second class again we have 3 sections up to 12. In all the classes we have 3 sections. So how many trees will be planted by the students? We want to find out how many total plants we will how many total plants will be planted by the students. Now first check how many sections and how many classes we have. Now 1 to 12 total classes is equal to 12, and in each class we have 3 sections. Okay, 3 sections. So if we are taking this first class, in first class how many sections we have? 3 sections. So tell me, if a student is of first class and we have 3 sections, so how many plants they will plant? How many plants will be planted by the students? 3 plants. Okay. Now come to the second class. Student of second class, and we have 3 sections. So in second class and 3 sections, how many plants will be planted by the student? 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Okay. Because second class, it means they have to plant 2 trees. And in second class we have 3 sections. So 2 3 is 6. 6 plants they have to plant it. Now come to the third class. If a student is of third class, then they have to plant 3 trees. But in each we have 3 sections. So it means from each section we have 3 plants. So 3 into 3 is equal to 9 plants we have to plant it. Now come to the next class, fourth class. If we are talking about the fourth class, so how many plants we have to plant it? 4 plants. And how many sections? 3 sections. So total plants 12. And up to so on. And last is our 12th class. 12th class means 12 plants they have to plant it. And we have again 3 sections. So 12 3 is 36. So first value is 3. Last value is 36. So first check whether these numbers form an AP or not. Now 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Yes, these numbers form an AP. And now which value we want to find out? How many trees will be planted by the students? So how many trees we want to plant? It means the sum of these trees. So sum of these trees, first tell me how many number of these terms we have. We have total 12 classes. So can we say that n is equal to 12? N is equal to 12. What is the value of A here? A is equal to 3. And what is the difference? Difference is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. This is the common difference. And which value we want to find out? S12. What is the formula of Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2 to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now S12. So S12 will be equal to 12 divided by 2. 2 into A is 3 plus n is equal to 12 minus 1 and difference is equal to 3. So 2 6 is 12, 6, 2 3 is 6 plus 12 minus 1 is 11, 11 3 is 33. So 6 into 39, 6 9 is 54, 5 6 3 is 18 plus 5 is 23. So how many total plants students will plant? how many plants will be planted by the student? Total plants is equal to 234. So this is the sum of these plants.